This is where you walk in, and then you can basically see that over there. This is STEM, and then this is Mrs. Fisher's classroom. These are little owls where their names are. Hi. Mrs. Boudreau's room. My cousin Callie's actually in here. Hi, Leo. Hi, Leo.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Good morning, everybody.
These are all the kindergarten classes. We'll check these ones out in a sec. It's just my classroom.
Mystical Y at the end of a word says E or I. So what are we missing at the end of it? Okay, hey Madison.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to PVE. I'm recording my whole school day with a camera.
That's really awesome.
Good observation. Madison?
Hi, Elijah.
Gonna go looking for gold. Okay, Carson?
She'll get the pot of gold.
Okay, good.
We're going to the library right now. They read. Hi, Zachary. Bye-bye. I'm filming my school day.
Are you?
Tell me who you're filming it for.
What are you filming it for?
Kindergarten roundup.
For all the new kids coming next year?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
Maybe she'd like to say hi to all the boys and girls coming next year.
Guys.
Right now we're gonna go to music.
We will have. Hello. What? How's it going? What do we have here?
We're taking a school tour for
Oh, that's
all the
cool.
new boys and girls that will come next year to kindergarten.
Oh, that's
So this is our tour guide. Maybe they'd like to say hi.
What you want to do now is you want to start. Well, hey guys.
Hi, we're taking a quick school tour.
Sure,
So
they're making their sculptures. You should take a lap.
Take a
Take a
look.
lap. You should be adding texture to the outside of your.
What are you guys making?
This is not.
This is the Wall of Fame, where if you get all of your tickets punched, then you get a picture up here. And I actually have a picture on here. It's right down here.
Why don't you show me your picture?
That's my picture, and that's determination, ethics, compassion. Over here we have confidence and wellness. That's the spirit stick.
How do you get that?
You have to try to wear all of your PVE gear or spirit stuff. Oh jeez.
Tell us where we are.
We're at the gym. Oh jeez, they're playing this. This is where the kindergartners eat. And where I sit is usually right here. I usually sit right here. And what they're serving is corn dog nuggets today. And then this is where you put all your tickets. And it says PVESTRONG. And if you have any birthdays here, you get a birthday pencil or bracelet. This wall has pictures.
Welcome to Pleasant View.